10 Common Affiliate Marketing Mistakes to Avoid. Promoting too many products. Promoting too many products at once can be overwhelming for your audience and dilute the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Instead, focus on promoting a few high-quality products that are relevant to your audience. Not disclosing affiliate relationships. It's important to disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. This builds trust and credibility and helps avoid any potential legal issues. Not providing value. Simply promoting products without providing any value to your audience will not be effective in the long run. Instead, provide helpful content, such as product reviews, that your audience will find useful. Not tracking your links. Tracking your affiliate links will help you understand which products are generating the most revenue and which ones are not worth promoting. Not optimizing your content for search engines. Your content should be optimized for search engines to help increase your visibility and drive traffic to your site. Not choosing the right products. Choosing the right products to promote is crucial for the success of your affiliate marketing efforts. You should select products that are relevant to your audience and that have a good reputation. Not testing your promotions. Testing your promotions can help you understand which products and marketing strategies are most effective for your audience. Not building an email list. Building an email list is an effective way to promote your affiliate products and keep your audience engaged with your content. 9. Not diversifying your traffic sources. Relying on a single traffic source, such as social media, can be risky. Diversifying your traffic sources can help you reach a wider audience and protect your revenue streams. Not staying up to date with industry changes. The affiliate marketing industry is constantly evolving. Staying up to date with industry changes can help you stay competitive and ensure the success of your affiliate marketing efforts.